Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be all about this wig that I received from My First Wig. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 10 inches. This is a bob, 130% density, and the hair texture is silky. This wig features My First Wig's Glueless wig cap. It comes with a removable elastic band, removable wig combs, a drawstring for the perfect glueless fit, and the ears have been cut for comfort. So the style of this wig is a blunt cut bob with a wedge in the back, and then it has bangs. It comes styled with a left side part, but because everyone's face shape is different, some people prefer longer bangs, some people prefer shorter bangs. So the bangs do come long initially, and then you would just cut the bangs to as short as you want them to be. Look how deep this parting space is. So of course you do not have to do that standard left side part. You can do a middle part, you can do two ponytails, you can do whatever hairstyle you want to, because you do have a good amount of lace throughout the lace closure. So because the bangs do come long straight out of the package, I'm going to show you two different hairstyles that you can do with this wig. So the first one is going to be longer bangs, but with deeper layers. And then the second look is going to be shorter Chinese cut bangs. Now I'm just going to use my hair wax stick. I'm going to apply it to the parting space and then use my pressing comb and make sure that everything is smooth and the hairs are going into the direction that I want it to go into. I always love to showcase the hairlines on the wigs from My First Wig because the wigs come ready to wear straight out of the package. Look how perfect this hairline is. The knots have been deep bleached. The hairline is fully pre-plucked for us. So I am not adding any product to the hair. I don't want it to be weighed down by anything. I want it to be very flowy, have lots of movement and lots of body. So I'm going to skip the product and then just use my curling iron to curl it with a light bump at the bottom. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag Bob in the comment section. I don't know about you, but this wig is giving Whitney Houston, The Bodyguard vibes. I love it. It's like the perfect 90s vibe. Now I'm just going to grab a hairspray. This is a brushable light hold hairspray by Sebastian. I'm going to spray it on the hair just to make sure that the curls stay intact, but I'm still able to style it and brush it. All right, so finally it's time to put this wig on. This is a glueless wig, so I won't be using any glue or adhesive. However, I do need to get my magic wig cap. I cannot wear any other wig caps because I had a hair transplant 4 months ago, going on 5 now, but I'm grabbing my favorite wig cap. This has silk in the inside and then it's a normal stocking wig cap on the outside. And of course, this is a glueless cap construction, so you do have that elastic band in the drawstring that you can adjust for a custom secure fit. Here is how it is looking so far. I am going to add some baby hairs just to get rid of that line of demarcation where the wig cap is showing. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys how this hairstyle looks, just so that the focus is the hairline and the cut and the shape of this wig. And then later on, I'm going to style this wig with the bangs that I was telling you about earlier. That is the style of this specific wig. And here's the inspiration style of this wig. And I'm going to try to get this hairstyle as close to this look as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about this wig. Leave them in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to this wig in the description box. This wig is from My First Wig, and I definitely think that you guys should try it out. Perfect wig for summer, perfect wig for fall. Such an easy throw-on wig, definitely beginner friendly. I highly recommend. Let me know which was your favorite look from this wig in the comments, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, that's right. It's BeigeOjai.